Good morning everyone and welcome to my June 2013 पेपर 3 इन सोशियोलॉजी के ऊपर हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत बात करेंगे। तो क्वेश्चंस जो 75 क्वेश्चंस है उसी के ऊपर हम लोग बात करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक। Arrange is the logical order of the P. Barger had explained by A. Answer will be A, that is the habitualization, institutionalization, legitimation, and the externalization. So A will be the answer. Which of the following categories is the placed of the Althusser concept of the ideological state apart? So the answer will be C. That is the 1, 2 and 3. Education, family and religion. State bureaucracy is not involved in this list. Which of the following method of the H. Garfinkel in his exposition of the ethnomethodology? So the D is 1, 2, 3 and 4. यहाँ पर जो list है that is the documentary method, that is the branching experiment, the respiratory of the perspectives and the extra principle. So the ये जो चार है ये चार जी एच गार्फिंकल का एक्सपोजिशन ऑफ एथनोमेथोलॉजी है। Which of the following is crisis attested by the J. Habermas? So the B will be the answer, that is the economic crisis, legitimation crisis and the rationality crisis. To A. Giddens, that is the Crowler, theorizing involves is B, that is the double hermeneutic. Who among the following distinguishes three components of the life world, that is the culture, society and the personality? So the D answer is J. Habermas. Giddens' concept of the regionalization implies that is the A, that is the reproduction of the that is the rationals. Uh, sorry, the reproduction of the relations is not only across time but also space. In defining nationalism, A.R. Desai is influenced by, that is the B, E.H. Carr. So E.H. Carr कौन है? यहाँ पर मैंने एक लाइन में मैंने बोल दिया है। अगर आप डिटेल जाना चाहते हैं तो आप किताब पढ़ सकते हैं इनका, आप गूगल में भी सर्च कर सकते हैं। Which of the following statement is incorrect to the regard to D.P. मुखर्जी? यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखिए कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है। इनकरेक्ट है इसमें A, B, C 3 are correct. That is the D. Modernity can be understood independent of tradition. ये जो स्टेटमेंट है ये D.P. मुखर्जी के हिसाब से इनकरेक्ट है। In which of the following sequence of the demographic, that is the transitions traditionally associated? So the answer will be C, high fertility, high morality and the low morality, low morality, too low fertility and the low fertility and the latter lagging behind. So C will be the answer. Which of the following concept does not figure? That is the Malthusian theory of the population. So the answer is C. This is a stable population. लिस्ट में यहाँ पर दिया गया है that is the crude rate. या आंसर तो जो होगा वो A ही होगा. That is the crude rate is the rate of the demography event computed for and the entire population. General fertility rate, that is the 3, the number of the live births per 1000 women in 15 to 45 or 15 to 49 years in a given year. And number 2, number C is the infant mortality rate, that is the answer will be number 2. The number of the deaths of the baby is under age 1 year per 1000 lives births in the given year. and the birth rate is the number of the live births as per the thousand population in a given year. Population pyramids reveals that is the following information, that is the B, all A, B, C, D. That is the dependency burden, birth death and death rate, sex ratio or different ages at the approximate life expectancy of birth. यहाँ पर जो है बुक्स एंड ऑथर्स दोनों है. बुक्स में क्या है, फॉर्म द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द पीपल, दैट इज द, यहाँ पर आंसर होगा ए. द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द पीपल होगा ए, बोस. And the gender inequality and demographic behavior hoga number 3, S Desai. And 2, easy to principle of the population is T Malthus. And number 1 is the regulatory reproduction in India's population is 1, K Srinivas. यहाँ पर भी मैचिंग है, दो आइटम 1 एंड आइटम 2. यहाँ पर आंसर होगा सी, दैट इज द फर्स्ट deviance is the matching with, that is the no conformity, and the crime is act of the contravenes the law, and the anomy is, that is the lack of social norms. Alienations, this is the self estrangement. Who among the following is associated with the idea of the rich society? That is the B. It is the Ulrich Beck. यहाँ पर assertion है and reason है. Assertion, ecology movement and the empowering of the form conflict over the natural resource and the people's right to the survival. And reason क्या है? Population increase, that is the responsible to the depletion of the natural resources and environmental degradation. And that is the B. Both A and R are true, and R is the not correct explanation of the A. क्योंकि इकोलॉजी मूवमेंट जो है, ये मूवमेंट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ओवर द नेचुरल रिसोर्स ऑफ द पीपल, राइट टू द सर्वाइवल. ऑब्वियसली सर्वाइवल के ऊपर ही इकोलॉजिकल मूवमेंट हुआ था. एंड पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू द नेचर रिसोर्स एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. ये सही नहीं है, ये एक स्टेटमेंट है, लेकिन ये इकोलॉजी मूवमेंट के साथ ये नहीं जाता. Talcott person have mentioned, that is the pillars of the sick roles of the patient, find out the correct combination. So the answer is C, is 1, 3 and 4. One is sick person is not personally responsible for being sick. Number 3 is the sick person is entitled to the certain right of the privilege, and sick person must work, that is the regain health by the consulting a doctor. Assertion, the technological advances have been taking place rapidly. Reason, it has been due to the convergence of the telecommunication and the computing technology is known as the information of the communication technology. So the A is correct. ये जो है टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांस इज बीइंग द टेकिंग प्लेस रैपिडली, ये डेफिनेटली ये स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. लेकिन एंड आर जो है, रीजन जो है वो क्यों है, क्योंकि convergence of the telecommunication and the computing technology is known as the information and the communication technology. ये जो है ये करेक्ट है. Who among the following did not favor, that is the hierarchization of the knowledge? So the answer will be the D, M. Foucault. यहाँ पर concepts and authors है. Answer will be A. Sexuality जो है ये किसने लिखा था? Author जो है M. Foucault. That is the rich society is U. Beck. इसके बाद communicative जो एक्शन है वो है जे हेबमस, एंड हाइपर रियलिटी जो है वो है जे बाड्रिलट. Who among the following theorists sees, that is the contemporary society, as death culture, with the death being, that is the paradigm of the all society exclusion and the discrimination. So the A, that is the J. Badrit. Which of the following was not that is the specified as and the objective of the social development by the World of the Development Summit in 1995? A. Economic protectionism. That is the list, that is the schema, program and the year. That is the B. Is the national education policy is 3 in 1986. National literacy mission is 2, that is 1998. National health policy is 1, that is the 2002. And national perspective plan of the women's development codes is 4, that is the 2001. यहाँ पर भी लिस्ट है, जैसे कि यहाँ पर आंसर जो है ये 3 होगा, सी होगा. So the 73rd constitutional amendment is women's empowerment. The Gandut project is for the one e-governance human development reports, that is the 4 UNDP, and the sales or the purchase goods or service through the internet, that is through the internet, that is the C, that is the e-commerce. Intersubjective consciousness in everyday life is the core area of the focus of A, that is the phenomenologist. Which of the following is not the correct about the P. Berger and the T. Lukeman understand, that is the knowledge? So B, they are deeply concerned about the validity of knowledge. Which of the following considered of the triple pillars of the Source theory of phenomenology sociology? So the answer will be D, life, world, intersubjectively and the natural attitude. Who among the following considered that is the founder of the phenomenology sociology? This is the B, A. Suits. Select the correct alternative about the Habermas of that is the reconstructions of the Marxism. So the answer will be A, 1, 2 and 3. That is the purposive relations action instead of the superstructure. That is the symbolic interaction instead of the superstructure. And that is the 3. That is the social mode of the self-reflection instead of the class consciousness. The ethnomethodology as in the approach of the study society is concerned with, is the A, is the fundamental basis of the social order. Assertion जो है, ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी है, यहाँ पर बी और सी बोथ आंसर हो सकता है. किसी किसी साइट में मैंने देखा कि बी आंसर है, किसी किसी साइट में सी आंसर है. सो दैट्स व्हाई मैंने बी और सी मैंने दे दिया. दैट इज द वुमेन्स वर्क द perceptions of the substantially increased of the informal sector of the economy in India. That is ये है assertion. and the reason क्या है, education and skill development opportunities have expanded among, that is the rural women. So the यहाँ पर जो आंसर है A is correct, but the R is not the correct reason. क्योंकि education and skill development opportunity expanded among the rural women. Not only that, किसी किसी साइट में मैंने देखा C दिया है. both A and R are correct. हाँ, तो दोनों स्टेटमेंट ही करेक्ट है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है सी सही आंसर होगा, क्योंकि स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, लेकिन ये आर जो है, रीजन जो है, वो ए का सही मात्रा में रीजन नहीं होता. Women's rights are human rights as an international policy for the women's empowerment was accepted in the International Conference of Women held in, that is the A is कहाँ पर हुआ था? Beijing. Select the correct statement. That is the answer will be A, 1 and 2. The correct statement is ideological linked. That is the phenomenon parliament engagement with the household responsibility. And 2, due to their dominant engagement with the unpaid household, that is household activities. So the answer will be A. Which of the following is not correct with the regard of the liberal feminist view on the state? That is the B. Men have captured the state. The proportion of the aged population of the total population of India shows that is the trend of the C, that is increase. What population in Indians, urban population live in slum? A. Around 1/5. इसके मतलब है, इसका जो मतलब है, अगर हम पॉपुलेशन को 5 पार्ट में डिवाइड करें, उसमें 1 पार्ट इंडिया में स्लम्स में रहते हैं. What proportion in India population does not get safe drinking water as per who? That is the A, 15%. Who held the view of the Indian tribals were backward Hindus? A. G.S. Gure. Who among the following is used, that is the dialectical approach to the study in Indian society? That is the B. D.P. Mukherjee. From the statement given below, choose the code of the depicting correct answer. The two, the describe, and the socially constructed gender inequality. That is the D. That is the B, C, D, but not A. B, C, D is the correct answer. For the similarity of the quality, person, man for favored over the woman. Men and women are the thought of the process, different physical, emotional, mental capabilities, and the practice of the dowry has the increased among the educated middle class in India. यहाँ पर assertion जो है, assertion में दिया गया है, the problem of the dowry deaths is the typically prevalent among, that is the emergent urban middle class in India. Reason, the law of the inheritance of the discriminatory against the woman in India. So the answer is C. Both A and R are true, but the R is the not correct explanation of the A. Dowry death is the typical, एक common issue है मिडिल क्लास इन इंडिया में. तो ये जो लॉ इनहेरिटेंस है, दैट इज द, इसमें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अगेंस्ट वुमेन इन इंडिया, इसके साथ इसका कोई मतलब रिश्ता नहीं है स्टेटमेंट के साथ. The value of the individual's labor power which is left over the employer has rapid to the cost of the involved in hiring a worker is called, that is the Marxian term. That is the B, that is surplus value. The collective bargaining usually center around, that is the A, share in profit, job security and good working conditions. Integrated, that is the working class into the capitalist society, making them, that is the less likely to become the radical or the revolutionary force. This is that statement. This is the statement related to, that is the 3, that is the trade unions. The average number of the newborn children produced by the women of the childbearing age of the particular in society is called, that is the fertility rate. The economic perspective, that is believes, that is the free market society achieved of the minimizing government, that is the restrictions on the business provide, that is the only root of the economic growth. The statement explain the concept of, that is the B, the new liberalization. Which of the following does not cause of the global warming? That is the C, new technology. The Domestic Violence Act has passed in which of the following years? That is the D, 2005. Who among the following associated of the Human Development Index for the measuring of the level of the development among the various countries? It is the B, the Mahbub ul Haq. The general agreement of the trade in services, that is the GATT suggest. That is the A, cross-border trade in education. Who is the author of the book Tribal Movement in India? That is the C, K.S. Singh. Who among the following is not scheduled tribe of India? That is C, ये जो है the Gurjar. Which of the following is not correct with the regarded to the peasants? The answer will be B. The peasants in India is permanent, that is the predominantly represented by the middle stra, statra, and the caste hierarchy. Which of the social movement in the rural India can be the termed of the example of the old social movement? That is the B. That is the peasants movement. Which of the following is not the features of the caste system? It is the B, C, and D. B. Exogamy, purity, and population rituals, ritual hierarchy, and the ascribed occupation. That is the C. That is the endogamy, purity, and the population ritual hierarchy, uh, and the achieved occupation. That is the monogamy, purity, and the population secular hierarchy and the ascribed occupation. So, which is not the system क्या है? Which of the following is not? Not answer is B, C, D. मतलब ये तीनों ही ये जो features है caste system का ये नहीं है जो features है that is the endogamy, purity, population and the pollution, rituals, hierarchy and ascribed occupation. That is the authors and the book. Authors जो है उसका ये आंसर है C. That is the Making Marriott is that is the village India. M.N. Srinivas ने क्या लिखा है? That is Indian village. B.R. चौहान ने लिखा है that is the A Rajasthan village and S.C. Dubey ने लिखा है Indian village. That is the C में जो दिखाया गया है that is the 4312 the social evolution that is the 4 Herbert Spencer and 3 the positivism the Auguste Comte mode of production is 1 that is the Karl Marx and cultural lag that is the 2 the William Ogburn. Who defined peasants as small agricultural procedures who, with the help of the simple equipment and the labor of their families, produce mostly for their own consumption, direct or indirect, and the fulfilling of the obligations of holder of the political and economic power. So the right answer will be B, that is the T. शनीन. सो ये कौन थे? ये ब्रिटिश सोशियोलॉजिस्ट थे, प्रोफेसर ऑफ द सोशियोलॉजी यूनिवर्सिटी इन मैनचेस्टर. In India context, that is the increase in the slum population disputes. That is the AD. So यहाँ पर आंसर जो है वो थोड़ा confusion है. A, the extension of the rural poverty and D, the process of the urbanization. ये इस दोनों में से कोई एक है correct answer. So the slum population जो है that is मुझे लगता है A will be the correct answer. An extension of the no an extension of the rural ये rural poverty का extension तो है ही लेकिन वो urbanization में जाके urban में जाके वो लोग रहते हैं. So answer will be the rural population of the extension of the rural poverty. Which of the following is not the push factor of the rural urban migration? So the B, increasing practice of the dowry in the rural areas. Ethnicity is defined with the reference to C, inherit socio-cultural attributes. Which of the following is not the features of the informal sector? That is the D, absence of the gender segregation. The bonded labor is a D, that is the product of the rural poverty, illiteracy, and the hegemony of the upper caste over the lower caste. The juvenile, that is the delinquents of India, belong to the age group of the C, that is the 18 below 18 years. The average size of the land holding of the scheduled tribe is A, higher than the scheduled caste. The social development strategy, that is the EMISTO, ensured, that is the answer will be C. Each section of the society recognized as the resource who need to the benefited from the economic development to the ensure of their educational empowerment, health, of the basic necessities of the lives are the fulfilled of the opportunities to the provider of the realization of the full potential is C. In the weak globalization, India economy has, that is the D, opened up to the economic neoliberalism. And the Grey Sleeper of and the Step Toms have studied, that is the C, that is the corporate crime. So thank you so much. That's all for now. Please keep watching and please subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.